Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the.
Hi amazing people, I hope you're way happy, enjoying your life, and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to teach you the French language verb conjugation. In every language we do have a lot of verbs, in French also we do have. So today I will try to teach you the verb which is called partir. Partir, P-A-R-T-I-R. You can see everything on the screen also. So this verb is having ending TIR. So it's called second group of verbs where we have this TIR ending, and it is an irregular verb. So this verb has a different conjugation, but you always have to memorize. So what is the formula? What is the best formula to learn this verb conjugation? It's very simple. You can see on the screen. So what we do is that in this verb PARTIR, we always remove TIR from the ending, because this has ending TI, partir. So we will remove TIR and then we will add, some new alphabets which you can see in the screen in the red color. So that's how you can easily identify that, okay, we will remove TIR and we will add whatever you can see in the red color. So what will be the pronunciation accent, I can tell you, so you can see on the screen also. So the conjugation, how we will pronounce it. So first we will have je pars, tu pars, il part, elle part, on part. Then we have nous partons, vous partez, il part, elle part. So this will be the pronunciation. So I tell you the meaning because you can also see the meaning on the screen also. So je pars means I leave, I am leaving. Then we have tu pars, that means you leave. Then we have il part means he leaves. And then we have elle part means she leaves. And then we have on part means we leave. And then we have nous partons, that means we leave. And then we have vous partez, that means you leave. And then we have ils partent, they leave, they are leaving. And then we have elles partent, that means they are leaving. Elle means this is for feminine, and when we talk about ils partent, that means that is masculine plural. So this is the way you have to learn this verb conjugation, and this is the formula. You have to follow that. Once you follow that and memorize, practice, and then easily you can learn by heart, because obviously I have learned this, so I can help you. So for me it's a very piece of cake, like je pars, tu pars, il part, elle part, on part, nous partons, vous partez, il part, elle part. So that's how you have to learn. So there are a lot of verbs with same conjugation, same pattern. So I can share with you a lot of verbs also if you have any doubts. So always you can ask us, you can write your questions in the comment box, and also you can follow us on the Instagram, because we have this special page where all the learners can ask us questions and we can help you. So that's how we can reach out to so many people. So that's why we have created this Facebook, this Instagram page, so everybody can follow that. And if you have questions, you can ask us, so that we can help you to make better your French language. So here on this channel you can learn a lot of things. You can watch our videos, and especially French language, because I have made different videos especially in French language, completely in French language, so that you can get the new vocabulary, you can understand the accent, pronunciation. So there are a lot of things you can learn on this channel. So thank you so much for your precious time. Best of luck and take care.